Hi everyone, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and easy to use Excel tools out there. For the last 16 years, we've been helping businesses, small, medium to large, save time, reduce mistakes, and make work a whole lot easier for everybody. And today I want to tell you a little story about a telecom company in Denver, Colorado. Their engineers had a big problem. They needed to figure out how far their cell towers were from possible new sites so they could plan where to expand their network. But here's the thing, they're doing everything by hand. Every time they wanted to check the distance between two locations, they'd open Google Maps, type in addresses one by one, and then copy the results in Excel. Imagine doing that hundreds of times. It was slow, frustrating, and mistakes happened all the time. And that's when they did a little bit of research and they found our Excel straight line distance calculator, and everything changed. The tool helps measure the shortest distance, or the straight line distance between 2 points, kind of like how a bird would fly in a straight line from one place to another. Unlike a driving distance calculator that follows roads, turns, and traffic, this one shows the direct as the crow flies distance between those 2 points or those locations. And it's perfect for planning, mapping, or comparing sites when you just need to know how far things are without worrying about roads or travel time. So let me walk you through how they use it and how you can use it. First, you'd open the Excel file and paste in their tower location to the column, and then they add the new sites they want to check in into the next column. Once everything is ready, they just click calculate, and in a few seconds Excel automatically shows the straight line distance between each tower and every new site. No typing into Google Maps one by one. They just get quick, accurate results right inside Excel. Now the engineers can see exactly which towers are closest to new customer areas. Instead of spending hours looking things up, they were able to finish in minutes and make their decisions. Every morning they update their list, press one button, and the tool does all the work. It saves them time, money, and a lot of frustration. And just like these guys, we've helped more than 7,000 happy customers from different industries: telecom, delivery, logistic, real estate. And they all say the same thing. Once they try our tool, they can't imagine going back to the old way of doing things. We're also so proud to have 148, I think now, 5-star Google reviews as of this recording. And every one of them reminds us of how much people appreciate using our tool, how much they love them, and how easy and reliable these tools are. So why do people choose our Excel tools? Why should you choose our tools? Well, first of all, they're very simple to use. You don't have to install anything. Just everything runs inside Excel. And then on top of that, you get amazing customer support whenever you need it. And the best part, it's a one-time purchase. No subscriptions, no hidden costs, just a straightforward, affordable solution that saves you hours every week. If your company still calculates distances by hand, and you should give our Excel straight line distance calculator a try. Also look around at our website. We have tons of tools and that you might need, some that you might not know that you need. And to download this specific tool, just click on the link in the description, or reach out to me directly via live chat on ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, or phone or email. And also a lot of our clients, a lot of them like a custom tool to do something specific. Everybody's business is different, and if you need a custom tool for your business, feel free to reach out. Again, my phone number, my email are also in the description, and if that's your preferred way of communication. And if you found this video helpful, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And until next time.